Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. And today you are looking with me at 2005 Toyota Corolla S, and I would like to discuss in this video very common engine oil leak which is happening on these vehicles. In this case we are looking at very good and very common Toyota engine. It's a 4-cylinder 1ZZ-FE, but also the same will be about a similar engine which was developed in cooperation Toyota and Yamaha, and this one has a code 2ZZ-GE. How do you know which engine you have? Well, you can see this is VVTi, right, 16 valve, and if you are in doubt you can look here, and normally you have sticker here underneath the hood and that tells you engine. This one it's missing, but there is a sticker also on the side. I brought a light and you see it right there, right? So this is that 1ZZ-FE. And we are also not looking only on that sticker, but we already start seeing that leak. And the leak I'm talking about is in this area on the passenger side of the engine, right? And it's mostly in the back. It's flowing on the back of that motor right there, but it also comes towards to here. And normally you will immediately suspect leaking valve covers, but look, the valve cover, it's barely visible right underneath this plastic cover, and you can see it's in perfect shape and it's not leaking. Now let me show you the same oil leak from different angle. I lifted the vehicle for you. Let's start maybe right here. Hopefully you will be able to see that leak, right? So it's completely only on that passenger side of the motor, right? If you look around everywhere else, it's completely dry. There's no oil leaking and everything is right there. So now I will show you what's the culprit, what is causing that. And when we were looking up there together from behind on that engine, you probably saw this shape and two 10mm nuts on it, and this is a timing chain tensioner, and there is a rubber o-ring, and that o-ring gets harder by the age, right, by the heat of the engine and so on, and flattens, and it starts slowly leaking engine oil. So to fix that problem, the cheap way will be to go to the dealer and buy only that rubber o-ring. I believe they are charging approximately $6 for it. Or you can get entire tensioner if you have many miles on your vehicle, right? You can replace the whole assembly like I will be doing right here pretty soon after I finish filming this for you. So you can replace the whole unit from the dealer. I believe it's like a $60, and aftermarket this one cost approximately $35. So I wanted to really quickly share this with you. There's no need immediately, right, thinking or automatically thinking that it's a valve cover gasket. Actually, for these two engines which I mentioned in beginning, it's a very, very common problem or very common oil leak, and it's relatively easy to deal with it. How you replace that entire timing chain tensioner I will show you in the next video, which will be coming out day or 2 days later after this video. So thank you for watching. I really hope you find this helpful, and be tuned. I have way more videos coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.